Welcome, again my dear viewer. Today we have covered the biography of a famous singer in Hollywood, Justin Bieber. I am Sonu Sharma, and let's start his Justin Bieber biography. The early life and childhood of Justin Drew Bieber was born on March 1, 1994, in London, Ontario, Canada, and raised in Stratford, Ontario. He is the son of Patti Millett, who raised him as a single mother after separating from his father, Jeremy Bieber. Despite financial struggles, Patti supported Justin's love for music and provided a stable upbringing. From an early age, Justin showed an interest in music. He learned to play the piano, drums, guitar, and trumpet by himself. At the age of 12, he participated in a local singing competition, performing Nayo's So Sick and placing second. His mother began uploading videos of him singing covers of popular songs on YouTube to share with friends and family, which inadvertently started his journey toward stardom. Rise to fame. In 2007, Scooter Braun, a talent manager, stumbled upon Justin's YouTube videos and was immediately impressed by his talent. Braun contacted Patti and arranged for Justin to fly to Atlanta, Georgia, to record demo tapes. While in Atlanta, Justin met Usher, who saw his potential and helped him sign a record deal with Raymond Braun Media Group, RBMG, and later with Island Records in 2008. Justin's debut single, One Time, was released in 2009 and became an instant hit, charting in the top 20 in several countries. This was followed by his debut album, My World, which made him the first artist to have 7 songs from a debut album chart on the Billboard Hot 100. Songs like Baby, from his follow-up album, My World 2.0, 2010, catapulted him to global fame, solidifying his status as a teen idol. Career highlights and achievements. Justin Bieber's career evolved rapidly from a teen sensation to a global pop star. Some key milestones in his career include 1. Albums. My World 2.0, 2010, certified multi-platinum and included hits like Baby. Believe, 2012, marked a transition to a more mature sound with hits like Boyfriend. Purpose, 2015, included chart toppers like Sorry, Love Yourself, and What Do You Mean? Changes, 2020, Injustice, 2021, continued his evolution as an artist. 2. Awards. Over 30 Billboard Music Awards, 2 Grammy Awards, 18 American Music Awards, and many others. First artist to surpass 10 billion views on Vivo. 3. World Tours. His Purpose World Tour, 2016-2017, grossed over $250 million and was one of his most successful tours. 4. Streaming milestones. One of the most streamed artists on platforms like Spotify and YouTube. Struggles and personal challenges. Despite his success, Bieber faced several personal and professional challenges. 1. Legal issues. Between 2013 and 2014, he faced several run-ins with the law, including arrests for DUI and vandalism. 2. Mental health. Bieber has been open about his struggles with depression, anxiety, and the pressures of fame from a young age. 3. Hiatus. In 2019, he took a break from music to focus on his mental health and spiritual growth. Marriage and personal life. Justin Bieber married Hailey Baldwin, a model and TV personality, on September 30, 2019. The couple had a courthouse wedding in 2018 and celebrated with a lavish ceremony the following year. Their relationship has been characterized by mutual support, especially during Justin's struggles with mental health. Bieber credits Hailey for being a stabilizing force in his life and helping him grow as an individual. Business ventures. Justin has diversified his career into business ventures, including 1. Fashion and merchandise. Launched his clothing line, Drew House, known for its comfortable and streetwear-inspired designs. 2. Fragrances. Released several fragrances, such as Someday, Girlfriend, and The Key. 3. Investments. He has stakes in tech startups and a broad portfolio in real estate. Net worth. As of 2025, Justin Bieber's net worth is estimated to be $300 million. His wealth comes from album sales, concert tours, streaming revenue, brand endorsements, and business ventures. Legacy. Justin Bieber's journey from a small-town boy in Canada to one of the world's biggest pop stars is nothing short of extraordinary. His impact on pop culture and the music industry is undeniable. Bieber continues to inspire millions of fans worldwide with his talent, resilience, and openness about personal growth.